are you? Good morning from where you are. Today we are going to talk about after your account has been verified by OneForma, what next? What you need to do? What are the steps? So as you look at my account, there are some jobs here. There is all new, recently worked, bookmarked, hidden. Yeah, so basically this is how the structure of the UHRS looks like. So after your account has been verified and you go to the top right hand corner and you see at the top right hand corner the three dots, there will be the desk, the profile, and there will be UHRS after your account has been approved. So what you should do next is at the UHRS, when you open like this, you can click it all. So these things you can preset the way you like it. So here are the jobs. So you can basically see the things required. So you can see this one like there are so many. So you just have to choose one. Now this is you just have to calculate now money. So like let's take for example this. Let's take the top one, the entry curation crowd HOO. So when you do a math of let's say it's 0.05. So it's 0.05, and you do so 0.5. What that basically means is you are being paid $0.05 for every hit. Like for every answer you give, you're given 0.05. So let's say in a day you do roughly, let's say 100. You have most probably like let's say even in an hour by the way you can do like 100. So let's say in roughly in a, let's say let's just do times 0.05 times 150. So basically this is personally for me, in a single day can do maybe 150. That is roughly $7.5 for one job. So if for that one job you do 150 hits, you get paid $7.5. $7.5 is for that 1 hour you have taken to do. So let's say $7.5, and you do for how many hours roughly in OneForma? Don't take so much hours. Let's just say you take 3 hours. You have $2.5, and that is one job. So basically, it's a really good opportunity. So you just have to choose which job is for you. Please ensure that when you do jobs, there are certain guidelines. Let's say for example, this one, search for business by category English. You just click to the arrow pointing downwards. There will be a download button and it will automatically come, and you can open. Let's see, and it will give you guidelines. So this one is for search for business by category. So this is the guidelines for you to answer the questions. Please don't preempt any answers, because you will be blocked or you will not qualify. Personally, I've made the mistakes of when the first time I opened an account, I made silly mistakes and didn't answer correctly, and I got blocked. So for personally, I don't want you to get blocked. So please ensure you read the guidelines. Don't tell your friend or go to YouTube and go to seek answers. Read yourselves and answer them. They're not so that hard, but it depends with you. For me, like I will just pick like now this one, local query in product module. I picked some few jobs and I said these few jobs, let's say 5 jobs, I will dwell on them, and they'll be my specialty. I will not focus on other jobs because they can pay me well. So I just strive, but I will show a new opportunity for you to earn on easier tasks. When you see jobs with the like this one with the icon with the label new, please ensure you do those jobs because they're really easy. You can look like here they pay 0.01 and they can be like 50,000 or something, and they just finish in some 1 hour or 2 hours. So it's more of being aware. I will try maybe to create a WhatsApp group and we can educate each other. So like if in 0.01 and they're like 50,000 or so. So you can do even 1,000. You have almost $10. At the end of the day, you will. I'm not saying that OneForm is basically the place that you can be rich, but it will ensure that you have at least some money in your pockets. So that's basically what you need to do. So when you open like you have opened like this page and you want to do a job, so you like let's say describe the intent for the query. You come after reading the guidelines, after clicking the guidelines, you come and click start. After clicking start, like this one, there is no hits. Let me check for which one it has. You click start. So let me check. Confirm. So like after clicking start, this is the page. For example, this is something that will be brought to you, and at the top you can say pay 4 cents for each hit. I'll be paid 4 cents. And lease expiry, so I must answer this question in 9 minutes and 5 seconds. So this is basically a job looks like. So for this one, say someone from Bogota, DC, Colombia types the query and something in, and I cannot understand the language. Review the following choices for which intent and result. So I will check. Sorry. So like this one, data will be manually reviewed and spammers. Please ensure, as I told you earlier, the you, the way you answer the questions will determine if you'll be paid, because you see as many people there are many spammers and now we are paying for it. I didn't know really. So we can answer the question. You can check in the Bing, and it's in a foreign language. It's in my phone is hanging. Let me try to check another one. Sorry. So basically, you really like choosing best description. When I did this hit, I left it in English. Now I'm wondering what's happening. This is in Portuguese. This there is satisfaction English. We can do this if there is one. So basically, please be careful how you answer the questions, and this one has no hits. So please be careful how you answer the questions. Please be careful, because you will be, most probably you'll be blocked. You'll be blocked by the UHRS. So let me basically show you how you can check your balance, how much you've earned and something. So you click at the top left hand corner here at your Kiwi browser. You can see I have, or it depends. For me, I changed it. For you, it can be different. So you come and to the, when you go to the marketplace, it means you are coming to the hits. When you go to report will show you how much you've earned. So you can, for me, I can click here, and by range I click all time, and you can see judgment total, and you can see how much you've earned basically. So you can see it here, and that's how you can see. So it's easy that way. So for ONEFORMA jobs, please ensure you read the guidelines, and you can earn so much. You can really move. It can really help you. So basically, I think that's it. If you have any questions about ONEFORMA and what to do and how to create an account, I think the links I will put in the description. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and thank you. I'll try, and I'll put in also the WhatsApp group maybe, or my phone number. If you have any details, please DM me or send me a message on WhatsApp.